हाय गाइज, मैं हूं तरुण राणा। आज हमारे को शिलोंग में आए हुए चौथा दिन है। आज हम जा रहे हैं सीक्रेट फॉरेस्ट घूमने के लिए और हमारे साथ एक गाइड भी है। वो गाइड हमारे को सब कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ बता देंगे और साथ में आपको भी समझा देंगे। आइए चलते हैं घूमने के लिए।
Okay. So first of all, I would like to wish first a good morning to you, ma'am. To you, so my good name is Vicky. So I'd like to welcome to our state in Meghalaya. I'd like to welcome to the Malpang sector. So this is the forest, which we are calling it the Malpang Sector Forest, or in our local name, where we used to call Lau Kentang. Lau Kentang. Okay. So like the meaning of Lau Kentang is mean. Lau means is the forest. And Kentang means is a place which is a very holy, or a place is a very sacred. Or in Hindi we can call it the Pavitra jungle. Pavitra. Okay. So where is a forest also no? Which is standing here more than 800 years old. It is standing here more than 800 years where we know this forest as the untouched. Untouched. Okay. So the meaning of untouched is mean like we can touch whatever is there in the forest is okay. But the main and the only one that we cannot block or we cannot take anything from the forest. Even a dry leaf, the plants, the fruits, nothing you can bring out or nothing you can take out from here. Whatever is belong to the, whatever is there in the nature, all those belong to the God of the nature. Till nowadays where we the local people here, we still believe that inside the forest there is a God. And the name of the God where we the people we are worshipped till nowadays, we call it Labasa. 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 Okay? The meaning of Labasa is mean like kind of a protection. A protect of the people from any diseases, any war battle, maybe from any problem. It's looked after by the God of the okay. At the same time, with the total area of the forest also is around 80 hectares. It will be around 200 acres. It has been divided into three sections or three parts. That side is the first section close to the village. This is the second one where we will do enter now. And over the dark side will be the third. The first and the third is permanently closed. Now allow people to enter. Only the second part of the forest where we allow people to enter inside the forest. The first and the third, nothing is there. Only the second part of the forest where people they can learn. They will know it all about the medicinal plant, the ritual place, the holy tree, all where people they can learn in the second part of the forest. Okay. And these are the stones. You have heard the name? Maybe you will heard about the common name, maybe you will know it. But we do call, we do know in the common name is Rudraksh.
Yes.
So do you know about Rudraksh?
Yeah.
So like you see some people with the hug. This means it's all about, it's not just only to hug the tree. It's all about the feel, the spirit, the feel, the energy of the nature God of this forest. So because we the local people here also like Rudraksha, we can see the part of Hindu religion. Okay. But yes, still we the local people here does not have good religion. We the Khasi people here, we are respecting our religion. Even we also we come here to touch, we do take a blessing. Then some of the Khasi also we do keep this Rudraksha. Because we believe it that when we are having a Rudraksha, it's good to our life. But once we having a Badraksha, it's make a danger in our life. Do you know about Rudraksha and Badraksha? Any idea? Most in the market, if you go to buy, you can get Badraksha, which can cost only like 100 to 50, 500. I remember a small bit where people used to wear a chanting mala. Even those one also don't wear it. Don't buy those ones. You need to be careful in your life if you buy these one for Badraksha. Because the reason why you need to be careful, you cannot eat the non-veg. You cannot drink, you cannot smoke. You cannot do something wrong in your life. You cannot do cheating to someone. You cannot use any single bad words from your mouth. cannot lie to someone. You need to be a holy person always. You need to be full of respect. Full of good heart should be there in your heart if you're having a Badraksha. Because when you're having a Rudraksha, sometimes we the people, we get to go the wrong way. Sometimes children go to the wrong way. But when there is a God, when you keep a God in your life, it means it show again. Instead to go the wrong way, it make people to go the good way always. So having a Badraksha, that is the rule that you need to be followed. But to having a Rudraksha, there's no rule that you need to be followed that way. You can have it, whatever you want to eat. You can do whatever you want. But the main and the only one, God. You cannot be thrown anywhere. Yes, maybe it was like something fall from your neck and pocket. That is does matter. It means that you throw it like that. That is the bad. It comes to your life. You're having a Badrak, why you need to be careful? Why you need to be follow rule? Because why? No power. Until you respect, until you follow rule, there'll be a power. Rudraksha automatically 100% sure there is a power. There's no rule that you need to be followed. So about the Rudraksha, if you don't mind, can I ask you some questions? Can I go ahead? Okay. I hope all of you know Rudraksha, no? Any idea, sir, ma'am? What is the use of Rudraksha? Why we the people are keeping a Rudraksha? What is the benefit of Rudraksha? Which means?
Panchmukhi. There is one face of Rudraksha.
There, ma'am. A Rudraksha is just 21 face.
Yes.
But in each of Rudraksha, you need to know the benefit. And any idea? There is a Rudraksha from 1 till 21. Any idea what is the more and expensive Rudraksha in the world?
One face.
Any idea?
One face.
Which one? Second one? Why do you say 5 face is very powerful?
Because it represents 5 elements of nature.
Yes, that also at the same time is present the 5 elements of nature. But why people mostly say 5 feet is very powerful one? Because the reason why 5 feet is a bit common here. Am I right or wrong? If you go anywhere you can get 5 feet here. But it's difficult you can get 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's very difficult. But remember till nowadays, I will tell you the truth. The more and the expensive Rudraksha in the world, the more and the rare piece of Rudraksha in the world. Which one is come 1 up to 100 years, and the second one is come 1 up to 20 years. That is the single Mukhi and the 7. 1 and 7 is the best pieces of Rudraksha in the world. If you wear it, you keep it, and that is your luck. When people get these 2 Rudraksha, it's not about our rich, it's not about they have lots of money, it's not about they are billionaire, they have come from rich families, it's not like that. It's all about your heart. You believe in that one, you are lucky you get all 2. Because what? Now this plastic, that I told you but. And I'd like to explain you the benefit little from 1 to 7. In 1 to 7 is the Rudraksha we do get in the necklace. 1 Rudraksha is the most and the powerful Rudrakshas. What is the present the name of the Lord Shiva God? It's been blessed by Shiva. This is always good for the rest of the family members. Each of the family is having 1 key is very good for your life. It will suit all of your members in your family. The use of that one is all about fortune, all about good luck and life. How you can use money in your life, how you can increase money in your life, how you can do good in your job, you can do good in your future. It's all about stability. People are do business, people are do any business, might be company, any job like that. They wear and keep the 7 Rudraksha to upgrade the life, upgrade the future level. Okay. Remember the real Rudraksha never come on your wrong shit. The real Rudraksha that we do get in the Meghalaya, original Khasi pine or the native pine. Where these type of pine tree mostly we can found in the part of Khasi Hill, where we do call a Pinus cassia. Pinus cassia. Pinus is come the name of a pine tree, and acacia is come the name of the castle. Okay. At the same time, I'd like to show you something. I hope you see that. So these are the pine leaf. Pine leaf. Okay. These are the pine nether leaf. Where from the pine nether leaf, we the local people here, we used to make a mattress. We used to make as a mattress. Okay. Which is a brown color. We used to make a mattress. With the green in color, we used to make oil or tea. Some people used to make brush for painting also. But most of the people nowadays use the pine tree we used to make a medicine. That the medicine that we do get here is not the medicine that they can find in different parts of all around the Meghalaya, all around India. I mean the medicine when people you can find only in this area, in this Mauplang, because this medicine has been made on the COVID time. One of a priest, one of a person from the village, where he faced with the paralysis, so he make the oil from this pine tree. And that oil we do call Dawa from India. These are the Europe pine. Europe pine, which we know until nowadays is the male pine tree. Male pine tree. Okay. But the scientific name of this tree we do call Taxus baccata or Taxus valishana. Two names there. Scientific name. Taxus baccata or Taxus valishana. Common name is English yew or Himalayan yew tree. Okay. Where from the bark of the tree, from the root, they used to extract the oil. And that oil we do call Taxus oil. Taxus is the one of the oil which is rare to get and is one of the oil which is very expensive. Just only 1 liter of the oil, the price can be cost above more than the 1.8 CR, only 1 liter. But the use of that oil is a very useful for breast cancer. Remember, a breast cancer problem. Yes, all type of cancer can be cured, but a very special one is for breast cancer. If you want to know more real about this tree, no? If you want to research about this tree, you go to Arunachal. If you go to Arunachal, there's a plantation about this tree in Arunachal. There's a berry. The berry is red in color. It's like a jelly. It's very tasty one. Berry is eatable. Seed is a very poisonous one. Okay. But here locally name we do call like this berry we call saw egg mud. Local name. Saw egg mud. It's like a jelly. Okay, it's like a jelly type. So we call saw egg mud. Okay. And you'll see this tree, the one this fell.